The Cascade Theatre opened on Friday evening, August 9th, 1935. The program included a Walt Disney cartoon, an on-screen singing and dancing performance, a Laurel and Hardy comedy, dedication speeches by state and local officials, and a feature film. The Record Searchlight reported 2,000 people attended, which was almost a third of Reading's total population and far exceeded the theater's 1,348 seat capacity. With new movies each week, the theater was a place to come to escape daily life and experience the wonders of the latest cinema. The Cascade continued as Reading's premier motion picture venue for the next 4 decades. It was also the site of annual free Christmas shows, dinner china giveaways on Thursdays, and Wheel of Fortune games that were a regular part of the industry in the pre-television era. With business declining in the 1960s and 70s and a 3-screen theater across town at the Mount Shasta Mall, the Cascade was converted into a 4-plex in 1979. In May 1990, the theater was reduced to running second-run films at an admission price of $1 per person. As it struggled, new strategies were tried, including offering foreign and art house film festivals. The Cascade Theatre closed in 1997. On June 30th, 1999, the Oregon State Board of Higher Education bought the building. They established a lease arrangement with Jefferson Public Radio, and new studios opened in December of that year. After 5 years of renovations, the Cascade Theatre reopened on August 14th, 2004 as a regional nonprofit performing arts center. Today, this state-of-the-art venue hosts a range of arts and cultural events, including internationally acclaimed music, dance, stage, and film presentations. Beyond its entertainment, the Cascade Theatre stands out from an architectural perspective. San Francisco-based architect J. Lloyd Conrich designed it in the Art Deco style. Salih Brothers, also out of San Francisco, built the Cascade between 1934 and 1935 at a total cost of $100,000. Upon its opening, newspapers reported it to be the finest cinema house in Northern California in its exterior and interior beauty, as well as its modern features and comforts. Of particular note, the Cascade was Reading's first air-conditioned public building. Prominent exterior elements including the relief frieze across the top of the facade and the tall vertical neon sign. The interior was designed and executed by the San Francisco firm of Chevlis and Santacono. Significant features included subtle indirect lighting, blended colors and shades, rich carpeting, huge glass and metal chandeliers, painted murals, and rows of comfortable red leather chairs. Following its decline, its conversion from the original single-screen layout, and finally its closure, Jefferson Public Radio, the McConnell Foundation, the Mitchell Fund of the National Trust for Historic Preservation, the City of Reading, and more than 1,800 partners, funders, donors, and supporters began transforming the Cascade Theatre in 1999 following the restoration designs of Reading's trilogy architecture. The entire $5.65 million project, including seismic work and related structural improvements, was completed in 2004. After 40 years as a prime entertainment venue, 20 years of struggle, and a major restoration about 15 years ago, we can once again enjoy this cultural and architectural icon.